Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import values from one spreadsheet to another in Google Sheets. So let's get started. In this spreadsheet, I have a table with date, day, and temperature data. And over here, I have a blank spreadsheet. Now let's say I want to import some data from this spreadsheet to this blank spreadsheet. For that, we are going to use the function called IMPORTRANGE. Now let's see how to do that. So I'm going to type equal import range, and import range needs two arguments. Number one is the URL from the previous sheet and the range that you are trying to import. So over here you can either copy and paste the whole URL, or you can just copy the ID from here. I'm going to copy the ID only, and over here I have to start a quote, paste the URL, now end the quote, comma, now I have to specify the sheet name and the range. So the sheet name in my case is sheet 1, and I want to import cell A1 to cell C3. Let's add sheet 1, exclamation. I'm going to add my range, which is A1 to C3, end quote, close the parenthesis, hit enter. There you go. So now I have the first 3 rows from this spreadsheet over here. Now let's say I want to find the total temperature. For that, I'm just going to use the function sum with import range. Let's see how to do that. So over here, I'm going to type equal, hit sum, and start parenthesis, write import range. Now specify the URL, comma, start quote, specify the sheet name, sheet 1, exclamation, and over here my temperature data is in column C, so I'm going to write C2 to C, end quote, close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here, now I have the total of the temperature over here. You can also find the average temperature over here by using the average function with import range. So I'm going to type equal average, start parenthesis, import range, start another parenthesis, start a quote. I'm going to specify the URL, end quote, comma, start another quote, and specify the sheet name, exclamation, and specify the range, end quote, close the parenthesis, hit enter. Now there you go. So this is how you can import a value, a range from one spreadsheet to another. You can also do the maths such as sum, average, etc. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment below and share your thoughts and suggestions.